Another improvement is in the 640 million IP block, which you can find in the firewall menu. Here, the list of bad IPs that can be blocked by the protector has now 4 more entries. Each of these new databases is updated periodically and imported on a daily basis by the protector. You can now find Log4j, Tor, Exit Nodes, DigitalOcean, and CobbleStrike. Log4j blocks probes from botnets that try to exploit the Log4j vulnerability. Here, all Tor exit nodes are blocked to avoid that your domain is visited anonymously. DigitalOcean is a digital infrastructure known for hosting spammers and other domain owners with unclear intentions. Then CobbleStrike is a product that allows an attacker to deploy an agent on the victim machine, and many cybercriminals that operate malware use this tool to drop multiple payloads after compromising a network. From this firmware, moreover, also outgoing traffic has been blocked.